Jeg er Atle Ribautu, avdelingsleder for systemdrift i operativ drift i Glitre Nett. Glitre Nett er det nest største nettselskapet i Norge. Vi har ca. 320 000 sluttbrukere. Glitre Nett sin overordnede strategi er å være det mest effektive nettselskapet i Norge. For å få til det så må vi tenke innovativt. Vi må tenke hvordan vi løser arbeidsoppgavene våre på en mer effektiv måte. Vi har prøvd å tenke hvordan vi skal kunne sikre IKT-infrastrukturen vår på en god måte. Og da må vi tenke sikkerhet i dybden. Vi må ha flere barrierer. Segmentering av trafikk er på en måte en av de tingene. Skallsikring en annen sak. Men det er viktig for oss at vi også kan monitorere og overvåke trafikkmønstre som på en måte foregår her.
My primary goal was to not have like a full-on pen testing with like an outside company coming in and saying, okay, we want you to try and reach this box. We wanted to actually see what would happen in a physical attack or an attack. And I wanted to do an attack simulation based on the IDS systems that were in the station. So that's what we really wanted to do. We wanted to test this out in the field to see if it's applicable to us. We could do the test in the lab, but it wouldn't really be applicable once you got to the real situation.
All these attacks were logged and detected by our solution. After we received this data, we distributed this data to the team members. We had a team of 5 and detected more than 99% of the attacks, documented down, explained them to our customer and gave them the countermeasures. And I think they liked it.
One of the main findings from this test was basically that how hard it is to detect that something has changed within a substation or in any network. It's really difficult to find out if that unit has been changed somehow. And to be able to actually find out what's going on in this network, you need highly specialized software and hardware for that.
The reason that we reached 99% of the answers is mainly because of our solution, StationGuard, and also the experience and the capabilities of our team. Our team has an experience of the both domain of IT and OT. And you need both of these knowledge in order to respond to an incident that is happening in the OT environment.
Altså OMICRON sitter med en spisskompetanse innenfor vårt domene. Det å kunne på en måte samarbeide med de beste er jo det vi på en måte tenker gir oss en fortrinn.
So Glitre Nett is really excited about the future for our collaboration with OMICRON. For the StationGuard, I think the solution as a whole is more complete than any other IDS system that I've looked at or tried and tested. It's a very highly specified system made more general. And we wanted to implement that in our substations so that it's easy for everybody to understand and use it. So based on that is why we have chosen to go with the StationGuard in our control stations for the coming years.